What if you could save hours of work every single day using tools that most people still don't fully understand? That's not just a dream anymore, it's quickly becoming reality for anyone willing to tap into the power of AI. In today's world, AI isn't just a trend. It's a necessity for staying ahead, whether you're a student, freelancer, or business owner. Every minute you waste on repetitive tasks is a minute you could have spent learning, creating, or just enjoying life. In this video, I'll show you 7 AI tools that can transform the way you work, learn, and earn online. These aren't just random apps, they're practical, effective, and designed to help you reclaim your time. Let's dive in, starting with one of the most powerful AI tools out there, ChatGPT. Let's talk about ChatGPT, the AI assistant that's changing the way we work, learn, and create every single day. If you haven't used it yet, you're missing out on a serious productivity boost. It's like unlocking a secret weapon for your daily tasks, whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves to learn new things. ChatGPT is like having an expert available 24/7, ready to help with almost anything you can imagine. No appointments, no waiting, just instant support whenever you need it. It can write essays, generate creative ideas, summarize long articles, or even help debug tricky code. Whether you're stuck on a school assignment or need to polish up a report, ChatGPT is there to lend a hand. For students, just type your question or prompt, and ChatGPT delivers clear explanations, detailed outlines, or even full paragraphs in seconds. It's like having a tutor who never gets tired. No more staring at a blank page, feeling stuck or overwhelmed. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm, organize your thoughts, and get started faster than ever before. Freelancers can brainstorm catchy headlines, write professional client emails, or generate engaging social media content in just minutes. It's a creative partner that helps you deliver your best work, even on tight deadlines. Business owners need product descriptions, marketing copy, or automated customer support. ChatGPT handles it all, freeing up your time to focus on growing your business and connecting with customers. The interface is clean, intuitive, and works seamlessly on your browser or phone. You don't need to install anything, just log in and start chatting. ChatGPT can even automate repetitive tasks by providing code snippets, suggesting efficient workflows, or helping you set up automations that save hours every week. Personally, I use ChatGPT almost every day for scripting videos, planning content calendars, and organizing my thoughts. It's like having a brainstorming partner who's always available. The more you use it, the better it understands your style, preferences, and the way you like to work. Over time, it adapts to you, making its suggestions even more helpful and relevant. That's the beauty of AI. It learns with you, growing smarter and more intuitive the more you interact with it. It's a true collaboration between human creativity and artificial intelligence. If you haven't tried ChatGPT yet, now's the perfect time to see what it can do for you. Signing up is quick and easy, and you'll be amazed at how much it can help. Experiment with different prompts, ask it questions, and see how much time you can save on your daily tasks. You might be surprised at how quickly it becomes an essential part of your workflow. So, that's ChatGPT. An AI assistant that's always ready to work, always learning, and always there to help you achieve more, every single day. Next up is Grammarly, a tool that's like having a personal editor watching your back, 24/7. Whether you're writing a quick email, a lengthy report, or even a social media post, Grammarly is always there to catch those little mistakes that can slip through the cracks. It's like having a grammar-savvy friend who never gets tired and is always ready to help you polish your writing. Everyone makes mistakes when they write, especially when moving fast. Typos, missing commas, or awkward phrasing can sneak in, no matter how careful you are. Even the best writers need a second pair of eyes, and that's exactly what Grammarly provides, instantly and effortlessly. Grammarly checks your spelling, grammar, punctuation, and even your tone in real time. It highlights errors as you type so you can fix them on the spot. Plus, it goes beyond basic corrections by suggesting ways to make your writing clearer, more concise, and even more engaging. The tone detector is especially helpful, letting you know if your message sounds friendly, formal, or maybe a bit too blunt. Instead of worrying about typos or awkward sentences, you can focus on your message. Grammarly takes care of the technical details, so you can let your ideas flow freely. This means less stress and more confidence every time you hit send or publish. It works across Google Docs, Word, email, and right inside your browser. No matter where you write, whether it's a school assignment, a business proposal, or a casual chat, Grammarly is there to help. You don't have to copy and paste your text into a separate app. Grammarly integrates seamlessly into your favorite platforms. For students, that means fewer points lost on essays. Grammarly helps catch those easy-to-miss errors that can make the difference between a good grade and a great one. It's like having a tutor who's always available, making sure your writing is clear, correct, and compelling. For freelancers, it means impressing clients with polished content. When your writing is error-free and professional, you stand out from the competition and build trust with your clients. Grammarly helps you deliver your best work every single time. Business owners can deliver a professional image in every communication. Whether you're sending proposals, responding to customers, or sharing updates with your team, Grammarly ensures your words reflect your expertise and attention to detail. Plus, it saves you from endless rounds of editing and proofreading. Instead of spending hours double-checking your work, you can trust Grammarly to catch the mistakes and suggest improvements, freeing up your time for more important tasks. Grammarly doesn't just fix mistakes, it helps you become a better writer with explanations and suggestions. Each correction comes with a brief explanation, so you can learn as you go and avoid making the same mistakes in the future. Over time, you'll notice your writing skills improving, thanks to Grammarly's helpful feedback. I use Grammarly for everything, from emails to video scripts. It's become an essential part of my workflow, helping me communicate more clearly and confidently, no matter what I'm writing or where I'm working. It's saved me from embarrassing moments and helped me deliver ideas more clearly. There's nothing worse than sending an important message only to spot a typo afterward. Grammarly helps me avoid those slip-ups and present my best self every time. If you want to spend less time editing and more time creating, Grammarly is a must-have. It lets you focus on your ideas, your creativity, and your message, while it handles the nitty-gritty details of grammar and style. Ready to level up your writing? Try Grammarly and watch your productivity soar. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants to communicate better, Grammarly can help you write with confidence and clarity. Now, let's move on to creating stunning visuals, even if you've never designed anything before. With the right tools, anyone can bring their ideas to life visually. No design degree required. Let's talk about visuals. In today's digital world, eye-catching graphics aren't just a bonus, they're a necessity. Whether you're sharing a story, building a brand, or just trying to stand out online, visuals are what grab attention first. Great graphics are essential. Whether you're posting on Instagram, designing a presentation for class or work, or making a YouTube thumbnail that pops out in a crowded feed, the right visuals can make your message clearer and more memorable. That's where Canva comes in. Canva is an AI-powered design platform that makes it incredibly easy to create professional-looking graphics, even if you have zero design experience. It's like having a graphic designer in your pocket. With Canva, you get access to thousands of templates, icons, fonts, and stock images. Just drag, drop, and customize to fit your style or brand. You can start from scratch or use a template to jumpstart your creativity. Even beginners can use Canva's AI suggestions for color schemes, layouts, and automatic resizing. The platform helps you pick the best colors and layouts so your designs always look polished and professional. Students can create class projects, posters, and even infographics that impress teachers and classmates alike. Freelancers can whip up proposals, logos, and portfolios that help them land clients. And business owners can make branded content, marketing materials, and social media posts fast and efficiently without hiring a designer. The time savings add up quickly. What used to take hours can now be done in minutes, freeing you up to focus on other important tasks. Magic Resize and Background Remover are standout features. Adapt your designs for any platform with a single click, or remove backgrounds instantly for a clean, professional look. Personally, I use Canva for everything, from eye-catching YouTube thumbnails to quick social posts, event invitations, and even business cards. Whenever I need something that looks good, fast, Canva is my go-to. It's reliable, intuitive, and always has the tools I need. It's honestly changed the way I think about design. I feel more creative and confident, knowing I can bring my ideas to life without any hassle. If you want to up your visual game without the steep learning curve of traditional design software, give Canva a try. You'll be amazed at what you can create. Now, let's get organized with AI and take your productivity to the next level. Staying on top of tasks and projects can be overwhelming, but Notion AI changes the game. Notion combines note-taking, task management, and collaboration, all in one place. With AI, it can summarize meeting notes, generate to-do lists, and draft documents automatically. For students, it's perfect for keeping lecture notes and managing study schedules. Freelancers can organize projects and deadlines, while business owners can manage workflows without switching apps. Notion AI learns your workflow and suggests ways to streamline tasks. I use Notion AI to track scripts, plan content, and manage collaborations. The more you use it, the more it adapts to your needs. If your workflow feels chaotic, Notion AI is worth checking out. Video content is everywhere, but editing can be a huge time drain. Pictory takes your text or script and turns it into an engaging video, complete with stock footage, music, and captions. Just paste your text, and the AI generates a video sequence for you. It picks visuals, syncs timing, and can even add voiceovers. Students can turn essays into video presentations, and freelancers can repurpose content for social media in minutes. No video editing skills needed, the interface is super intuitive. I've used Pictory to quickly turn scripts into explainer videos or social clips. The AI does the heavy lifting, so you can focus on your message. It's one of the quickest ways to get your ideas out there. If you want to add video to your content strategy without the hassle, Pictory is a must-try. Clean, eye-catching images are key, but removing backgrounds used to be tedious. Remove.bg is an AI tool that does it instantly. Just upload your image, and it erases the background in seconds. No more manual erasing or Photoshop layers. It's fast, accurate, and works on everything from portraits to product shots. Students, freelancers, and business owners can all create polished visuals in no time. The AI handles tricky edges and backgrounds with ease. I use Remove.bg for thumbnails and product photos. It saves me so much time. If you need clean, professional images fast, this tool is a lifesaver. Finally, let's talk about Zapier. If you want your apps to handle repetitive tasks for you, Zapier is the answer. It connects over 5,000 apps, letting you build workflows, called Zaps, that run on autopilot. Imagine saving email attachments to Google Drive or triggering Slack notifications automatically. Students can organize class files, freelancers can automate invoices, and business owners can streamline sales and support. Zapier's flexibility is unmatched. Build simple or complex automations. No coding required. AI-powered suggestions help you discover new ways to save time. I use Zapier to automate routine tasks like scheduling posts and managing emails. It's like having a virtual assistant running in the background. If you're ready to level up your productivity, give Zapier a try. There you have it, 7 AI tools that can save you 10 or more hours every week. If you found these tips helpful, subscribe for more ways to stay ahead in the AI-driven world. Remember, AI isn't about replacing people, it's about replacing those who don't adapt. The people who learn to use these tools will thrive. Start exploring these tools, upgrade your skills, and take control of your time and future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.